You have a trip coming up and you're packing your bags. You're thinking about what you should put in there and what you shouldn't put in there. What things should you not fly with? The Federal Aviation Administration, or the FAA, as it's most commonly known, has lots of rules and regulations on what can and cannot happen on an airplane, what can and cannot happen in an airport. And so there are certain things that you should not and cannot fly on a plane with. There are also certain things that you can't take in your carry-on, but you can take in your checked baggage. So it's good to know the difference between the two. For example, you can bring a firearm and ammunition in your checked luggage under certain circumstances and by special instruction, but you can never take your firearm and or ammunition in your carry-on luggage. So it's best to always check, make sure you've taken it out of the bag before you go to the airport. There are other rules and regulations regarding what can go in your checked luggage versus your carry-on luggage, but some other big ticket items that you cannot take in your carry-on are alcohol. You can't take alcohol with you in your carry-on, but you can put it in your checked baggage. You can't take other kinds of weapons like knives or axes or hatchets in your carry-on luggage. There are a number of things that you can't fly with or that you can only take in your checked luggage. The best course of action is to check on the TSA website or with the FAA. That will make sure that you're not carrying on anything that you're not supposed to. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down for us below. Otherwise, you can find us at vergestexas.com.